Okay, so this is for my YouTube channel. This is what it's like inside of a car. If you have never been inside a car wash, it's kind of freaky. But
You're moving so fast.
yeah,
Look at the front.
it's kind of freaky. Hey, Mom? It's kind of freaky. Here, I'm gonna just go to the back of the car real quick. Look at that. And then here it comes with the water spray again. Rain-X.
This is called Rain-X. It's like an extra coating.
Rain-X. So this is like an extra coating. So it's like a small coating of water and soap mix.
Now this is called the spot-free rinse.
Yeah, spot-free rinse. Right now it's behind us. So that's the machine. That's the big machine above us. That's the machine right there. For those of you that are on my YouTube channel that haven't had car wash before, this is what it's like. Just over a camera.
Now what are we getting?
Look at the little machines.
This is dry.
Okay.
Okay, now I think it's a slow air dry. And a rinse.
Here we go. Woo!
There you go.
Okay.
Clean.
Bye-bye, friends.